Spotlight, moonlight, get white dripping, get you right. Should look good in the moonlight. This pussy nigga so come like spotlight.
Hello guys, we have a new video today now. I'm gonna join another room for speaking English. Just as I mentioned to you, I wanna show you another example about speaking English. So now I'm gonna find someone to speak English for I'm showing you guys now. I'm looking for it now. I guess like every room's I've seen someone, but she's muted herself, I guess. And I guess she's been waiting for someone else because I've known her, and now I'm not gonna join her room now. So when I see someone, like maybe I can join this room, and I can wait for someone else maybe so that they can join my room. So yeah, I found this guy. Hello man, are you there?
Hello,
Hello,
sir.
you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly.
Yeah, and also I can hear you. So how is your day? How can I pronounce your nickname? Is it Cuisine or something?
It, it was kucing.
Kuchin, right?
Kucing.
Kuchin, yeah, Kuchin. Where are you
Yes,
from? Kuchin,
Indonesia.
Indonesia. Okay, I'm from Turkey.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So how is life in Indonesia about virus and other things? How is it going?
Mm, and it's pretty normal. It's pretty good.
About,
But like,
I mean, the point is, I mean, about
yeah,
coronavirus, is everything normal, you think? Or how is the cases? I mean, number of the cases. How is it? Is it a lot or maybe? I don't know.
I don't really know about the number of the
Mm-hmm.
people get infected, but
So,
I mean, I think it's pretty good right now.
mm-hmm.
The last time we get like a demonstration because some really bad rules was made up,
Mm-hmm.
so
Yeah.
all the like college students make a
Oh,
demonstration here, but
yes.
they're all good.
Oh, got it. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
this is how about there?
No, there here is. I mean, I guess it's normal if you compare it to another country. I mean, every day we get 2,000 case every day. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and I guess the government find a fund a how can I say, a vaccine. You know, they fund a vaccine, and they are gonna
Mm-hmm.
try next week. I hope it's gonna work so that we can be okay.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I hope.
You know, like also, I mean, Russia found the vaccine, but another country didn't trust them, you know, because, yeah, maybe they are scared of the Russia. I don't know.
Probably.
You know, if the German found the vaccine, every people will try and, you know, would be okay, but I mean,
Mm-hmm.
none of us trust Russia, and I don't know, yeah.
Yeah.
Like, I have any people got virus around you? I mean, your family or friends have ever
Um,
they got the virus?
mm, my family, it's all good,
Your, I
but
mean, yeah. I mean, some people
yeah.
who are, you know, your friends or maybe.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I actually have like one friend.
Mm.
It's from yeah, my friends online.
Mm-hmm.
He gets infected,
Yes.
so he has to be like quarantined
Yeah.
on a hospital. Yeah,
Yeah.
but I hope he was good.
Oh, that's good.
Hmm.
Yeah. 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 So, do you study?
Yeah, I do study
What do you study?
communication science.
Oh, communications. I got it. Good.
Yes.
So, have you ever been in another country?
Another country?
What? Yeah, another
Are you
country.
saying another country?
Yeah, another country like German, France, or maybe, you know, USA.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I do.
Which country you have been before?
Singapore.
Singapore, yeah, quite popular.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's, it's
Mm.
quite far from Indonesia, so.
I got it.
Mm-hmm.
So, Kusin, thanks for sharing your time with me. Now I'm gonna leave, and thanks. See you.
Okay.
Yeah,
See ya.
yeah, bye bye. So, guys, this was another example of speaking English with someone. She was from Indonesia, and she was like a studying like communicator or something. I don't know. And guys, as I mentioned it to you before, we can come here and don't hesitate to come here and don't be shy. And like you tend to come over here every day so that you can speak fluently or something. I mean, a lot of people are here, and most of them are waiting for someone else to speak English. You see this guy ES and Ellen 02, and they are waiting for you guys. You should come here and you can talk to these people. Just they are waiting for you guys. You know, every room is kind of you know you can come over here. Three you can like 7 people are here, and 7 people are also here. There are another room. Most of people, they argue about politicians, they argue about art, they argue about like football, team games, everything that you look for, everything that you are looking for is here, guys. The point is that just don't be shy, and you can come over here and you can learn English in 3 months, or in a month. Even your English is a basic A1 or something. Just if you spend your time here just for a month, you can really improve. You can be intermediate, you can speak fluently, and also you have another chance that you can speak with the native speakers as a American, like American people, Canadian people. Most of them are here because they want to help you guys. Yesterday, actually, I didn't record the video, but yesterday I talked to a guy who was from California, and he was playing League of Legends, and I joined his room. We talked a lot together, and he was such a good friend, and we spent time together. He was so kind and friendly. And another thing, just him, like, I told me about his story. He told me that he wants to become a soldier, and yeah, and I asked him about United States some things. I told him that which language the teacher teach you in high school or something, and he told me that actually it depends or states or something. I mean, he told me that he can speak kind of like a French or something, and which was like a really cool. Actually, when I really learn English, I mean, when I really learn English, I mean, like with everything, with every details, I really want to learn another language, which is French, which is so cool. I guess now, actually, I get started 2 days ago or something. Just I don't know anything about the French language. Maybe you don't know anything about English now, but like as I told you, in this case, you have to really speak English. Your intention should be good, and you shouldn't give up. And it is not demanding to come here every day. It's really easy peasy to come here. I mean, yeah. I mean, the point is that when you don't come here every day, you should feel guilty so that you can come here. Cause it happened to me before. When I don't come here, when I didn't come here before, like I was feeling kind of guilty or some shit. Then I decided to come over here every day. So I met a lot of people here. Yeah, guys. Now, as I told you, like guys, I told you this girl, like her room was like empty, and I had a chance to join her room, but as I told you, like she was waiting for someone else, and as you see, you can like as you see, guys, now they are friends. I guess I know this Chico. He's from Brazil. I don't know who she is now. This girl, and just Chico made a friend here. You can see him, and as an example, as I told you, you can come here and you can make a friend. As Chico, he's here, and like he find a friend here, and he can improve his English. Maybe they talk about English or something, I don't know, but they are interested in speaking here, and so this is the point, I guess. Now, as you see, we can talk like every time. Now this girl was talking to me like 5 minutes ago or something. Now she's talking to someone else, as you see. You can't see her level. It's beginner and it's intermediate. That's it. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed what I said. I hope you got my tips, and I'm gonna see you in another video, guys. See you. Yeah.